Hello, mermaids and barnacle boys. My name is Sponge Drew, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is very special because your boy just hit, that was a wrong number, 400 subs. Now, I know to a lot of people that's like, oh, that's not very much. I have over 1,000, but 400 is a lot to me. We're almost there to 500, which is halfway through through 1,000. I will do this. I will accomplish that goal. But for today, because today, honestly, there was a lot of things I was thinking about. I was thinking of doing a little simple build Lego video, doing a collection of some SpongeBob stuff. But for today, and I just made this not too long ago, we're gonna be showing you how to make your very own little Lego picture frame. Now, let's just actually adjust stuff just like that. Now, for the sake, save up all of your time and such, I'm not gonna take this all apart and show you step by step of it, because it will be boring just go piece by it. But hold on, I'll be right back. Just to kind of show you, here's a little tape measure. We'll put that to the side right now. I just kind of take this part to see what you kind of need for dimensions and such. Take these kind of corner pieces off, just like that. Let's take this out. Now, if you remember, these are actually little postcards. I reviewed these in one of the Halloween SpongeBob Nick boxes. Yeah, they were the hooks, and she came from Texas, so pretty cool nonetheless. Okay, so in order to build your very own little, little Lego picture frame for your pictures and such, because if you have like a little picture with family and such, like this size, because if we measure this out, this is about 6 inches in height and about 4 inches in width. So yeah, and same thing with this one too. So what you want to do is kind of like take that and basically take a bunch of big plates, then make another layer outside of it, kind of like, yeah, let's do the back, kind of like this, so you'll have room to build stuff around it. And you'll see you want to make another layer on top to hold all the plates together and such. Then what you want to do is kind of like place the frame in the middle here. Take some small 1x2 or 1x4 plates similar to this, kind of build one layer around, then build another layer around it. Then for the corner pieces, if you have something kind of like this, which these are kind of like new Lego pieces, connect them all together, kind of makes like a circle, kind of like that, and then you just kind of put them on the corners right here, which will help hold it in place. Now, if you want to be extra safe about that, you could do something very simple and put kind of like flat, another layer of tiles on the back of the frame, so that way all these bumps aren't hitting the actual picture here and not ruining it. You can do that as well. I honestly I may consider doing that, but that is really up to you. If you want to make the frame a little thicker, then while you're at it, you could kind of modify this a little bit, so you could put kind of a little hole or something on top, like that one 2x2 plate that has a hole on the top. You could put that there, so that way you can hang it. If you have bigger picture frames and such, you can do that, of course. If you have one that's kind of a 16-inch in height and like a 20 by in length, you can of course take a whole bunch of these plates and do it for that. Just add some uniqueness to the frame. Of course, if you want, you can do that as well. You can decorate the outside of it too. Yeah, that's really about it for this little short tutorial here. I know this is not like too exciting, but I have something else to show you guys. Let me just put this back on. You may also realize that my desk here is a little different. Well, I made a community post about me, like talking about how I reorganized my old desk and everything. But if you didn't see that, here it is right here. Now the reason why I don't have the little SpongeBob mats, because if I did have those on, and if I put my computer in like the middle, the computer will heat up, and the mats will probably melt and such, because it is a different material. So I decided to put them like on the sides here. You don't see them, but you can see the photo I posted in the community post. But that is not, this video is like only like 6.5 minutes long. No one wants me to do a special subscriber video that's only like this short. So I decided, I'll be right back. Oh, alright, so I decided to do something a little different here. See, only the OGs will, remember these. If you are a big Hero Factory fan like me, you will remember the Brain Attack series. So here we have Pyrox and Surge. Now we're going to be reviewing these two goobers today because, I was thinking of doing them kind of like together in a separate video, but you know what? We're right here, the video's going all that such, so why not, make this a little special video. So we're gonna take a look at Pyrox here. See, he's in a bag. Only 50 pieces for this buckle right here. There's a little brain such. Set number 44001. Bag of the bag. Such, sorry if it's teared like here. It's I wasn't a big collector at the time. See, it's still got the little tag right here and such. The Euro code for game points, the Hero Factory game. I don't know if this is still up in the Lego site, but some of you can research it and see if it actually still is. But with that said, let's actually get right on into it. That it? I believe that is it. So let's see. Now if you all have seen the videos of people reviewing these, I'm not gonna go over piece by piece of what's new, because this came out in when did it actually came out? This came out in 2013. That was 10 years ago. Man, I feel a little old. So I'll be honest with you. So let's just get everything organized. Put the bones, all the short little, stuff over here. All that. Being boom. There we go. And there we have it. We have everything all nice and organized. So I'm gonna show you the most important stuff here. If you want to see people review this on their own, you want to see a different video, then please do so. But let's go to the pieces that stand out to me, like this armor piece right here. Come on, get into focus. see right here, it's kind of a flame armor piece, and then translucent orange. It's really nice. This is a 5 long armor piece right here. Nice flames, stuff, really like that. Really cool piece. Here we have this little evil brain. Of course, these guys are a lot of fun. I don't know if people like still use these for like mock making such, or they just kind of collect them and don't really use them, but you can use these in all sorts of different ways. It's just instead of like you could put these on like a Comic-Con, like outfit and such. Really cool how they can like do that. It is rubber, and like the bumps, the eyes are like plastic and such. So yeah, nice. And it is in the yellow, of course. Got some kind of like shoulder pieces. Got them right here. And the dark red. These are the same ones that are on Bruiser, which is another kind of like, not necessarily villain, but like a creature that got controlled over the evil brains. Kind of a close up of them. There you go. Horns, these cool like flame pieces right here. Pretty cool. And then here is his face. See right here. Kind of got like a Minotaur looking style with the ring around the nose. Spikes around his chin. Connects to one axle point. But enough about the parts. Let's actually get right onto the build. And build this guy one by one. Put this right here. If you can hear in the background, I have some waves, crashing on shore. Just a little nice little background, noise. There we go. Got the skeleton all assembled right there. Feet. There we go. Move this. Scooching right here. Kind of like a dynamic pose. Right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Little small arms right there, and right there. It is really satisfying to build these because I like the snapping sound of them to just hold on. Just like that's really nice. Let's get this guy some more armor. Boom. Boom. I know this isn't all too exciting. I could have built these, off camera and just, review them right here and there. But you know what? We're here now. There we go. Big old claw hand. There we go. I don't know why they give him in the actual instructions, it's more of a neon green, but I couldn't find one because I was using one. So I have like this one right here. Don't know why they chose green. I feel like they could have, used, I don't know, like red or something, or even the same color for, claws or something. But hey, who knows? Attach the brain right there. Put on the back. And last but not least, put on the face. And there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, it is Pyrox. Look at this dude right here. This is actually one of my favorite looking characters from the Brain Attack series. Just something about like the lava and like the look of him. Really like a lot. See right here, especially with the big old horns or something. That's just like really like it a lot. Of course, he has normal articulation, like ball joints and arms just like that, with claws and such. Making like really dynamic sense, like the feet right here can only go like that. You can only really go so far, so you can like that. Pretty cool if I say so myself. Now, for your sake and only, and just to save up, time for all of you, I'm not gonna, do Surge next because, he does take a little while to do, but not like too long. I think what I'll just do is just, build them off camera and just review them right here and there, because it is, boring someone building a figure like Pyrox, just go piece by piece and such, and of course, the little frame that I just showed you. But yeah, that's really it for today's video. I know, wasn't all too exciting. It wasn't like all bedazzled and everything, doing a big video and such. But I promise you, next video will be a lot more entertaining because I'll probably do a tutorial on something later on. So, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Thank you all so much for the support and the likes and something. Thank you for liking all of my shorts that I've been making. Like I really enjoy, posting memes and such because, who doesn't love memes? Like literally everyone loves a good meme. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like what you see here and you want to see, more nostalgia and, SpongeBob building Lego stuff in the future, then be sure to click the subscribe button, ring the bell so you stay notified when I make new videos. Like it, comment, share with your friends, family, all that other stuff. And I'll see all you lovely people in my next video. See ya!